tension in the upper back, the lower back, the hips. This is a great sequence for just getting out of bed or even just midday if you've been sitting or standing long hours. Let's begin seated. Any way you feel comfortable. You can even do this sitting in a chair if sitting cross-legged is uncomfortable, or you can click the link just above in the top corner of this video to find ways to sit cross-legged more comfortably. We'll begin circulating the head, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Just warming up the spine here. And we'll go opposite direction. We'll come back to center, sitting tall once again. Just begin to circle the shoulders, just finding some movement here. We're working down the spine. And we'll alternate directions. And we'll come back to center. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. As you exhale, take a side stretch towards your left. Left hand just beside you, right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, come back up. As you exhale, side stretch towards your right.